Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change phone number on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then right here, tap at your profile picture to open up your profile page, where just underneath your profile picture you can easily find this edit profile button. Just tap on that. That shows you some of your settings like name, username, bio and some others, and all you have to do on that step is hit right here at the very bottom at personal information settings, just like that. And on that page you can get your personal information such as email, phone and your birthday. So now right here you can tap at your phone number, and then you can remove it and put here new phone number, then hit on next, then get a verification code via SMS, and after that new phone number will be attached to that Instagram profile. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.